Greetings to all in the name of St. Vincent Pallotti. Eleanor Roosevelt said, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dream." With that sense of beauty, I, Father Shine Augustine, the principal of the school, together with the head boy of our school, Master Siddhant Prakash Jadhav, and the head girl, Miss Tanvi Sadish Shimpi, proudly present the annual report of this temple of knowledge. On this joyous occasion, we thank the Almighty for His showers of blessings on us. I acknowledge the relentless support and encouragement of our chairman, Very Reverend Father Varghese Pullan, the school management, Father Anthony Rosvan as its president, Father Shine Augustine, the secretary, and the members are Father Kuriakos and Father Arun Thomas. I also acknowledge the dedicated and untiring efforts of the teaching and non-teaching staff. We have a strong team of 72 staff in all capacities, which includes 54 teaching faculty, 3 administrative staff, and 15 non-teaching staff who are a well-knit, qualified, serious, and purposeful group of people. This year, a total of 211 students joined our school, taking the total strength to 1,316. So together, we are a big Pallotan family marching together to achieve our goal of enlightening all.
With high expectation and academic rigor, the school began its journey of the session 2019-20 on 19th June 2019. Let's now make a tour to our campus with our head boy and head girl to see the infrastructural developments.
School has completed the second phase of its construction with 3 floors.
Spacious, well-lit classrooms to aid the process of learning.
A scientific and technological temperament is nurtured through fully equipped and suitably designed laboratories for science, maths, and computer. This is our science lab. This is our computer lab. This is our maths lab.
Our school library is fully furnished and it houses over 5,500 books.
Interactive smart boards are used for classroom teaching and involve students to learn with technology.
The multipurpose auditorium of the school is used for assemblies, parent orientations, conferences, workshops, celebration and competitions.
The school infirmary is equipped to take care of minor exigency. In case of an emergency, the parents are informed and then the students are taken to hospital by school van.
Sports facilities at school consist of basketball court, badminton courts, cricket pitch, skating ring, volleyball court, football and athletic event facilities. To ensure students' health, hygiene and dignity, separate gender-segregated comfort room and cool water filters are added in the basic amenities. School has added another feather to its cap by launching a mobile app. This app gives an entire scenario of the school's functioning, students' progress, quick and easy money transfer, etc.
Increased safety and security for all of our students is established through appointing a full-time security guard.
The major events and activities of the current year 2019-20.
Training and update. In keeping with the school's policy of continuous upgradation of knowledge and skills, our teachers attended various workshops and seminars in beginning of the year, conducted by Father Anthony Rosvan, our manager, and Father Shine Augustine, our principal.
Parent Teachers Association. Parents are vital to the success of our institution. Our school is strengthened and supported by the Parent Teachers Association. The executive members elected this year, Mr. Samadhan Nigar as the Vice President, Mr. Chandraban Balu Bhor and Ms. Nazia Shakil Mansuri as Joint Secretaries, with other parent representatives from each class. The PTA meetings are held once in 2 months and they are encouraged to become actively involved in the activities of the school.
Parent Orientation Program. Parent orientation programs are organized for parents to clarify about the new examination pattern, the extracurricular activities, the support required from parents, etc. Interactive sessions between the parents and the teachers are held twice in a month where the problems of the parents are attended by the teachers and the worthy suggestions are appreciated by the school faculty with an assurance to execute them at the earliest. An orientation was organized for parents by Dr. Uma Bachchao to identify the slow learners and to address their behavior problems.
School Parliamentary System. Investiture ceremony was conducted in its crusade for making the students of the school grow into responsible citizens. Master Siddhant Prakash Jadhav and Miss Tanvi Satish Shimpi were conferred as head boy and head girl respectively. Furthermore, the house captains and assistant captains were also conferred on the same day. Primary students were also nominated as class monitors and assistant monitors and felicitated in a formal ceremony.
Club activities. To develop a child physically, morally, socially, and mentally, to hone skills in co-scholastic areas, various clubs like Literary Club, Aesthetic Club, Science Club, Sports Club, and Environment Club are formed for the middle and high school students. Different activities like debates, elocution, PowerPoint presentation, skits, role plays, speeches, cultural programs, etc. are conducted regularly on Saturdays in the CCA period under the supervision of the club in charge. Primary and pre-primary sections also conducted competitions like poster making, table dodging, card making, drawing competition, best out of west, storytelling, dance competitions, memory retention competitions, skit competitions, and elocution. Students are prepared for the elementary and intermediate exams in Fine Arts organized by Director of Fine Arts, Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Extracurricular activities. Sports competitions inculcate the spirit of positive challenges and sportsmanship among the students. Sports, games, and physical fitness occupy a place of importance in our curriculum. Regular coaching sessions in football, cricket, kabaddi, skating, and karate are conducted on all Saturdays after school hours to help students to hone their talent and sharpen their skills. All this coaching in sports are given free of cost to our students.
Achievements. The students of Paloti School actively participated in different sports competitions and won medal, certificate, and trophies. Great achievement for St. Vincent Paloti School, Nasik, as our friends Shlok Gopal Kapse of 6th A and Sahil Subhashwani of 6th B won gold medal in the Open State Level Skating Championship 2019, and Suved Yuvraj Dhatrak of 3rd D, Tushar Trambak Ghed of 6th C, and Pranav Ramesh Aire of 9th A won gold medal in the Open State Level Karate Championship 2019. Congratulations to them and their coach Mr. Kiran Bhadangi.
Master Devansh Patil of UKGA is a real champion in swimming. He has already brought laurels to our school at this very young age. He was the winner of 25-meter butterfly and 25-meter freestyle open swimming competition organized by NIWEC Nashik, and the winner of 4 styles of swimming in district level swimming competition organized by Shri Haripat Mitra Mandal Nashik on 8 December 2019. He has also participated in the 9th state level open sea swimming competition held at Chivla Beach organized by Sindhudurga District Aquatic Association. Master Prathamesh Gajanan Dipke of 3rd A and Kunal Dilip Kharath of 4th B won silver medal in the 9th Penchaksilat Championship organized by Maharashtra Penchaksilat Association, Mumbai.
Competitive exams. To develop competitive spirits and to guide students to display their innate talents, students are motivated to take part in competitive exam organized by the school, namely Paloti Knowledge Hunt.
Celebrations. Like every other year, this year also several student-centered activities were organized. Independence Day and Republic Day are commemorated to instill patriotism and respect for the motherland. The school dedicated part of its premise as a tribute to the Amar Jawans of Pulwama on this auspicious occasion. Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Dashera, Diwali, etc. were celebrated by putting up colorful and an extravagant program by the students and the staff.
Bharat Scouts and Guides. Scouting and guiding is a character building educational movement. This year we have begun Bharat Scouts and Guides unit in our school. Camps and activities are organized to free the minds and liberates the spirit of the students.
Annual gatherings. The annual Sports Day, Rainbow Sports 2018, was a spectacular event of the session. Bishop Lutz Daniel was the chief guest of the day. Art, craft and science exhibition and fete is organized to display the artistic talent and scientific temperament of the students. Very Reverend Father Ernesto, the General Secretary, Rome, graced the occasion.
School organized medical health checkup camp for all the students every year. A team of doctors headed by Dr. Devendra Kauthalkar from Sarthak Hospital, Nasik, conduct the camp which include general physical examinations. Dr. Rajendra Patil and Dr. Priti Rajendra Patil from Nasik conduct sessions on sex education for teenagers.
Social outreach program. The school has started evening tuitions free of cost as part of its social outreach program to aid the struggling learners to shore up their basic skills. It is organized in the evening Monday to Friday. Teachers are appointed to take care of the weak students.
As we conclude the report, we bow our head in reverence to the Almighty God for the blessings He has showered upon this institution. All these achievements were possible because of the commitment of the management, teaching and non-teaching staff, students, parents, benefactors and well-wishers. We conclude this report by entrusting our school to the divine hands of St. Vincent Pallotti, our patron, and invoking his prayers for the journey ahead. Thank you and God bless you all.